Hello everyone, Natalie here from Serpstat, and I'm back again with another tutorial slash overview about the different tools and features that Serpstat offers. But before we go ahead and deep dive into that, I just want to give you all a quick PSA about the tools or the different offers that we have here in Serpstat. So, for example, we have this free guide showing you how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month running on autopilot. So if you're interested in knowing what or how you can benefit from that, then just leave your first name and then email address and subscribe to our mailing list so that you can get all the updates right directly on your email. And then click on this Find Out How button so that you can get your service journey started. And also we have, or if you're looking for a tool that will give you an SEO audit in less than 37 seconds, and on top of that, it's free. Just put in your information here and then click on the Get Your Free Audit button so that you can get started. So yeah, let's go back to Serpstat and then once again discuss about the different tools that they have. So we're still discussing the different features under URL analysis. And then we're moving here to the PPC research part of this category, and we'll be discussing keywords in terms of PPC research. So let's click on that here. So yep, unfortunately this error comes up every now and then. So I guess it has something to do with let's see other. Let's try per lemon leads. And then we were redirected to the overview panel of domain analysis. But let's go back and so maybe this is specific type of let's try a different database. Since we're based in the UK, we're still being brought back to the domain analysis overview. So as I have mentioned on one of the videos that I've uploaded recently, all of these features are actually stitched together. So when you click on overviews, they would show you all of the metrics, all of the widgets that they have. And then by going through these or this list one by one, then you'd be able to get a deep dive on what those features can do for you. So basically that is what's happening here. So we're being redirected to the main thing because this specific one is not showing up any results. So, but we're still gonna check. Let's try to check and see if we can get something to pop up. So let's try again. Serpwiz.com, and then let's go back to the USA database and see what we can get, if any. So yeah, we're still being brought back to the domain analysis overview. So let's just take it as that. And since it's talking about keywords, then this might be the one that it's referring to. It has 0. So basically what's happening here is that service has no PPC keywords as of yet. That's why it's not showing up any results as of now. So if you compare it with organic keywords, then there's of course something that's showing up. But since we have no paid keywords running, then it would of course show that it does not have any. So if, for example, your URL or your website has, then it would show here. And then if you click on that, hold on. If you click on that, hover on this icon here, you would see that this is the number of keywords the given domain bids on in Google Ads. So that is what PPC term is all about. So since we don't have any for Serpwiz, then it's not showing any data at all. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how it would look like and how it works. So unfortunately, since we don't have any for Serpwiz.com, then we're not getting anything on this panel right here. But so just to give you an overall idea of how it's gonna look like, and hopefully you found this helpful. And if you're curious on how to go through all of these tools, then head on over to serpstat.com, get your account created, and subscribe to, they have different subscription types depending on what your business needs. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you all so much, guys, for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tune in, of course, to the next videos that we'll be uploading. See you guys on the next one.